In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can restore your deleted designs on Canva. You can simply restore your deleted photos, videos, and templates in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Canva app. On this page, tap on these three lines right here. Then select the trash option. You will see all your deleted items right here. To restore back your designs, just click on these three dots right here. Select Restore. Your video or image will get back to your design section. The deleted items take up to 30 days before be permanently deleted from your account. If you are looking for your older designs, you may most likely not find them. That's how easy it is to restore your deleted designs on Canva. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.